bebas.
Do you like fishing? Let's choose a place for fishing. On the sea. Before you go, let's see what tools to bring. Compass, binoculars, fishing net. The fishing net is broken. Let's fix it. Let's trim the tear first. Fish net is fixed. Yeah! Let's go fishing! Where are the shoals of fish? Let's find them with binoculars. A group of sardines was found. Mackerels were found. Here is a group of Sardinella zunasi. A shoal of fish is here. Start fishing boat and chase the shoals of fish. A shoal of fish is caught. Let's pull up the fish net. There is still some left. There is a lot of trash. Let's pick it up. Keep going. There is less trash now. Wow, fantastic work! The shoal of fish is gone. Let's go after it. A shoal of fish is caught. Let's pull up the fish net. The last shoal of fish is over here. Let's chase away the seagulls. The seagulls are gone. Let's start fishing. A shoal of fish is caught. Let's pull up the fish net. Finished fishing! You are awesome! This is a sticker for you. What kind of fish could be here? What kind of fish could be here? Under the sea. Before you go, let's see what... Oxygen tank is is ready! Yeah! Let's go fishing! There are many beautiful fish underwater. Let's look for them. Let's follow the small fish to find the shoals of fish. The shoals of fish are found! Let's catch them! Help me catch the fish! I want this fish! I want this fish! I want this fish! Let's swim back to the surface of water safely. Successful underwater fishing! Reward you with a sticker! What kind of fish could